Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to harvest your rewards and how to use compounding to your advantage. Staking means depositing your liquid funds in the pool. Harvesting means claiming your rewards into your wallet while your deposited funds stay in the pool. Compounding refers to regularly harvesting your rewards and staking them into the pool to maximize your profits, while unstaking means withdrawing your funds from the pool. So we staked our GEG and BUSD into this pool and are getting GEG as our reward. It's displayed in USD here. Click Harvest to claim your rewards. When you harvest, your rewards will be transferred into your TokenPocket wallet. What you've previously deposited will remain staked on GFi in the pool. So you will have to restake your rewards into the pool if you want to start compounding your rewards. The act of compounding means you have to manually stake your rewards every time you harvest. This will maximize your rewards and take advantage of the highest APYs. Let's say you have $1,000 and gained 100 in rewards. You stake your 100 and now you have 1,100 in the pool, so you will gain interest accordingly. You increase the deposit value and therefore increase your rewards. Do this regularly to earn the highest profit. You can even do this daily if you like. Your rewards are paid in GEG. If you want to stake your rewards into the pool, you need to supply it as both GEG and BUSD. Remember, it's a 50-50 split, so GEG must equal in value to BUSD. You can either supply all of your rewarded GEG and then supply additional BUSD out of your own pocket, or if you want to compound using only your rewards, then swap half of your GEG for BUSD so you have an equal amount of both to supply into the pool. Let's compound using our rewards only. We've harvested and gained some GEG, so go to PancakeSwap and find the tokens. Let's exchange half of our GEG for BUSD. In this example, half our GEG is about 0.019, equivalent to 22 BUSD. Swap and click Confirm Swap. Confirm via password and wait for the receipt for confirmation. Now that we have an equal amount of both tokens, we can add it into the liquidity pool. So go to Liquidity, click Add Liquidity, and find your tokens. You can click Max to automatically calculate the values needed for both tokens. If you didn't exchange any GEG for BUSD, you'll be supplying additional BUSD out of pocket. Click Supply and then Confirm Supply. Confirm the transaction with your password and you can wait for the receipt for confirmation. Now you've added your assets into the liquidity pool, we can stake our rewards. Go back to GFi and go to the stake pool. Drag the scroller to 100% to deposit all the liquid you added. Click Deposit and confirm the payment with your password. It may take some time, but you will see the balance fill up. Now you stake your rewards. Keep repeating this to compound your rewards and take full advantage of the APYs. Let's move on to Cake BNB. Remember, you gain rewards in GEG, so you'll have to swap them for Cake and BNB to stake your rewards since those are the pooled tokens. It's a 50-50 split, so swap half your GEG to Cake and the other half for BNB. Calculate exactly how much GEG you need to swap and how much of the other token you are gaining. So let's go back to GFi and harvest your rewards from Cake BNB. Go to the pool and then click Harvest. The transaction will take place and it may take some time, but your balance will update. Now let's start exchanging your GEG. Remember, half of it is going to turn into Cake and half of it you will exchange for BNB. So go to Exchange and start swapping your tokens. Click Swap and then click Confirm Swap and then confirm via your password. You may wait for the receipt to notify you that it's confirmed. Now let's go to Liquidity. Add Liquidity and find the tokens BNB and Cake. Click Supply and then click Confirm Supply. Confirm with your password and wait till you get the receipt to get notified that it's confirmed. Now you've created your pool, let's go back to GFi. Go to Cake and BNB and you're going to want to deposit. So scroll 100% to maximize your profits. Then you can click Deposit. Confirm this deposit with your password. Now to actually stake your assets into this particular farm, you're going to have to click Stake down here. This is the same for the BNB BUSD pool as well. Confirm with your password, and it may take some time, but your balance should update with the correct value. Now, if you want to reclaim all of your funds, you're going to have to unstake from the pool by withdrawing from GFi and then removing the liquidity pool from PancakeSwap. Let's go back to GFi. Go to your pool, and where it says withdraw, you want to scroll the slider up to 100% if you want to remove all of your funds. Remember to harvest your rewards so that you get everything back plus your rewards. So click withdraw and your funds will be removed from GFi. To reclaim your funds into your wallet, you're going to need to remove the liquidity pool. You may have to search for it. So once you've put in both of the tokens, it may say pool found. Here's where you click manage this pool, and then it will come up. So click the pool and then click remove. You can scroll or click max if you want to remove everything, and then you'll have to click enable. So now click enable and then click remove and then click confirm. And once this goes through, it will take all of your funds out of the liquidity pool and back into your wallet. Alright, now you know how to harvest and compound your rewards, as well as unstake and withdraw from the pools. Remember to harvest your rewards and compound them regularly so that you can maximize profits. Thanks for listening.